My name is Cécile Emery. I am a senior lecturer in leadership at Exeter Business School, and I am part of the core MBA faculty. I am running a module entitled Leading Self and Organization, which runs throughout the Exeter program. My purpose is to help today's managers to become more responsible leaders. My teaching is centered around self-discovery and self-reflection. And in order to trigger those, I rely on two types of learning. First, learning from academic research, most of which that is being conducted here at Exeter Business School by our Center for Leadership Research. But also, I use learning from experiences. We know from research that being part of an experience, being part of a role play, a game, a live orchestra, an expedition, can really trigger experiences that make you reflect on who you are as a leader and where you want to be.